have never seen the river this high, and we actually several years ago tried to remedy some of this by carving out this area over here by Spring Lake, and it held. I mean, it's taken the water up, but it's even now into the parking lot even after all that work that we did. So this is pretty incredible. And we've never seen this. We do get a little bit of flooding on Lincolnshire Drive.
Yeah, we've never seen it in the streets.
And where our old police station used to be, we always get flooding there. But I've never seen this.